teachers and friends, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is our moving up ceremony. It is the one step in education, and I hope everyone continues studying to reach our goals. To my family, thank you for your love and support. To my teachers, Teacher Lips and Ate Daniela, thank you for your love, care, sacrifices, and long patience on teaching us. In return, I encourage you all to finish our studies with the help of our Lord Jesus Christ and I. Thank you.